The hunt for Babybel and other cheeses continues. I got 12 from Walmart and 22 from Target. Here's the thing, these have different dates on them. The 12 from Walmart have the October 2020 date on them, and the 22 ones from Target have January 2021 on them, which makes me think that the newer ones will have the Babybel. So let's start with the October 2020 mini brands. Oh wow, second pod we opened and we got the Leerdammer light cheese. Probably I'm pronouncing that wrong. This is awesome. I've been looking a long time for this one. So I guess my theory with the newer ones just went out the window. Although I still believe that anything produced before October 2020 won't have these types of cheeses that we're looking for. Awesome, we got another new one. This is the Monday Shampoo. I am so happy to find these for the first time. I have to say, I was very tempted to just buy the ones I can't find on eBay, but the feeling you get when you actually open one of these is worth the wait. I cannot believe my eyes. Finally, the one I was hunting for so long. Look at it, it's the Babybel cheese. Wow, I am so happy to add this to my collection. It seems like this batch of mini brands looks very promising. Let's keep going and see what else we can find. Oh god, at this pace I'll probably complete my collection with this batch of mini brands alone. Another new one, the Baker's Dipping Chocolate. It looks so cool. Okay, this is another one of those smaller than usual Crystal Light lemonade. I was so surprised the first time I found one of these. Okay, now moving on to the other 22 mini brands with the January 2021 date on them. I found these at Target. Yes, I'm on a roll today. Another new one. Really hard to find. We have the Laughing Cow Cheese Wedges. I am so curious what else we'll find. And another one. Keep them coming, keep them coming. We have here the Babybel mini rolls. Wow, this one also looks really good. I am so pleased. Aw, this one is a bit damaged, but that's okay. Two bakers dipping chocolate mini brands in a row. Nice. If you enjoyed the video so far or didn't, please take a second to leave a like or dislike. Also, let me know in the comments if you already found these or if you're still looking for them. Hey look, another Laughing Cow Cheese Wedges. Awesome. Okay, this is the last one. Fingers crossed for another new one. This was such a fun unboxing. I found quite a few of the ones I was looking for. Now let's see, we just need the Gold Babybel, the metallic Laughing Cow Cheese Wedges, the Salut Cheese Wedge, the Leerdammer Original Cheese, and oh, the Monday conditioner. Let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions for future videos with mini brands. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to get notified whenever I post a new one. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one.